Secretary General will convey to the members of the bereaved family our sense of profound sorrow and deep sympathy. It's with immense pride and joy that I join the House today to felicitate the Indian men's cricket team for their victory in the ICC Champions Trophy 2025. By defeating New Zealand in the final held in Dubai, our team has secured India's third Champions Trophy title, a remarkable achievement that makes every Indian proud. This victory is a testament to the dedication, hard work and teamwork of our cricketers. They have not only showcased excellence in their sports, but also displayed their spirit of perseverance and unity. This success reaffirms India's position as a dominant force in world cricket, and we celebrate not just the victory, but the journey that led to it. I take this opportunity to extend heartfelt congratulations to the players, coaches, support staff, and the Indian Cricket Board for their collective efforts in this achievement. Your commitment, discipline, and unwavering determination are an inspiration to millions across the nation. As we celebrate this moment, let us remember that sports unites us all, transcending regional and cultural boundaries. And this victory serves as a source of pride for every Indian. Once again, my sincere congratulations to the Indian men's cricket team for this extraordinary achievement. Your success inspires the youth of this nation to strive for greatness. Jai Hind.